Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope so all of you fine. Today the topic which I want to give you lecture is science. In our home planet, Earth has more events occurring on it than we can imagine. These events involves the living organisms, animal structures, things which you can see, those which you can't measure, and those who terrify us. Dear students, these events brings a lot of questions in our minds. What type of the questions brings in our mind? Like, look here, how these events take place, what's going on, why is it so? Number of questions brings in our minds. Dear students, did you know the same questions arises in the Newton's mind when he sit under the apple tree and an apple fell down on his head? He saw the same questions arises in his mind. Okay dears, now we exactly find out what is science. Dears, science, the word science comes from Greek word scientia, which means knowledge. Which type of knowledge? The knowledge which you avail gains from different observations and experiments. For examples, dears, look here. Newton studies, world space studies, diseases treatments, gravity, light refractions, physics, chemistry, bio, computer science, etc., etc. Dear students, you also can say that mobile phones is also examples of science. In simple and short words, you can say that science is systematic, comprehensive investigations, explorations, natures, causes, effects. I hope so, dears, you understand my lectures and enjoy it. See you soon. Next video lectures, inshallah. Have a blessed day.